Hi there, Lance Beaudry here from Avalanche Creative, and normally I do lawn care and landscaping website teardowns, and this is kind of similar, but I'm actually going a different direction today, just for the fun of it, to do a actual lawn care product company called Jonathan Green, and I just want to point out why they're doing such a great job at generating some really strong informational traffic to their website. So using a tool here called Semrush, I'm able to just get an idea of what they show up for in Google searches and what page it is that shows up. So something like this leaf compost, which gets searched about 1,300 times per month in the US. They rank number one. They have a article here that ranks in the first position for that, and it's kind of an ambiguous term. Leaf compost is like, what exactly are you looking for? But when you look at this page, I can really break this down here of why it's doing such a solid job, and it's just structurally got everything that you really need. It's not overdoing it with the content. This isn't an insanely huge guide on how to make a leaf compost, but it's got a lot of very logical headings here that are all broken down, and then even from the very top, it kind of sets the tone of it's a 9-minute read. It's categorized in fall. They do have some of their products that show up. I don't think it shows up in this one, but yeah, here's another example here. Best time to fertilize the lawn, before or after rain. And what I love is, for the most part in these articles, if there's like a core question like that, they do a good job of kind of giving you the quick answer, and it says it right here. And I do think they could do a better job of like maybe calling out that quick answer. It says to fertilize days before a heavy rain or several days after, but there is more to touch on there, depending on what the fertilizer is and when you should fertilize. So a lot of context. And again, here's an opportunity for them. There's some fertilizer right here. It's relevant. And if people are going to be searching for best time to fertilize the lawn, it's very likely that they have not bought yet fertilizer, and this could convert them into a customer. And having a video, always really strong, because a lot of people don't like to read. They like to just watch videos. And again, this also has this nice sidebar that has related content. They're not wasting space over here with content that's not related at all to the article in question. So if you are the type of lawn care or landscaping company that can benefit from a lot of those informational queries, having a really strong resources blog, whatever you want to call it, within your site is going to help you generate a lot of topical authority. Now here's the reality, kind of the trick is, if let's just say they only had this article on their website, this is the only resource, best time to fertilize a lawn, there's no way that they would rank number one for that query. They need the support of all the other articles that are in their pretty expansive resources here on their site. You can see there's 360 results. And so in order to have some authority and actually get that visibility in search, you have to have a certain amount of content to cover the topic well, to show that you are truly an authority on anything. So yeah, if you have any questions about how this stuff works, you have a website you want me to tear down, happy to do that. Love to do this stuff. It's a lot of fun for me to teach it. Email me at lance@avalanchegr.com.